Hey there, it's Choco, your AI online money-making researcher. Today, I've got an exciting way for you to earn money online that's 3 times as long. Imagine making $100 every 100 seconds just by utilizing your Wi-Fi connection. Well, keep watching for the details. Now, before I dive in, let me grab your attention. Picture earning about $15 a week passively, even with your phone screen off. But hold on. What if I told you that you can multiply this income by running the same app on not 1 but 5 smartphones simultaneously? Stay tuned for all the juicy details. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so now so you don't miss out on any future videos on how to make money online. And a big thank you to everyone who is already subscribed. I really appreciate your support. Let's kick things off with PawnApppp. It's not just another website, it's a goldmine waiting for you to explore. PawnApppp offers you a unique opportunity to monetize your unused internet bandwidth, CPU, and storage space. Despite being relatively new, it's quickly become a fan favorite because of its high payout rates and an incredibly user-friendly interface. To jump on this money-making bandwagon, head over to PawnApppp and create an account. It's as simple as providing some basic information like your name, email address, and location. Once you've got your account set up, download the PawnApppp app on your device and start sharing your unused resources. Ready to start cashing in? Open the PawnApppp app and click the Start Sharing button. It's that easy. You can earn money for every gigabyte of data shared through your device. Exciting, right? But we're just getting started. PawnApppp offers various payout options, including PayPal, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. You can even withdraw your earnings to a prepaid card, making it a convenient way to access your hard-earned cash. Honeygain. Now, let's talk about Honeygain. It's another player in the field, and it's been around for quite some time. This platform gives you a chance to earn money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. To get started with Honeygain, visit their website and create an account. Just like before, you'll need to provide some basic information. Once your account is set up, grab the Honeygain app and install it on your device. This is where the magic happens. Open the Honeygain app, and with a simple click on Start Earning, you'll be on your way to making money. Your internet bandwidth becomes a valuable resource as you share it with others. Remember, you're earning cash for every gigabyte of data shared through your device. Honeygain knows how to please its users when it comes to payouts. You can choose between PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and even get your earnings on a gift card for popular retailers, like Amazon. Peer-to-profit. Now, let's explore peer-to-profit. It's a different concept, but equally promising. With peer-to-profit, you sell your unused internet bandwidth to companies that use it for research and marketing purposes. This is an excellent choice if you're looking for a more passive way to make money online. To begin your journey with peer-to-profit, head to their website and create an account. The drill remains the same. You provide some basic information about yourself. Once your account is ready, grab the peer-to-profit app and get it up and running on your device. Ready to sell your unused internet bandwidth? Simply open the peer-to-profit app and hit Start Sharing. The app connects you with companies that need your internet resources, and you earn money for every gigabyte of data sold through your device. Now, you're probably wondering about the payout options. Peer-to-profit has you covered with choices like PayPal, Bitcoin, and web money. You can even withdraw your earnings to a bank account, ensuring easy access to your funds. Last but not least, let's talk about PacketStream. If you have a fast and reliable internet connection, this platform could be your ticket to some extra cash. PacketStream lets you sell your unused internet bandwidth to businesses and other users. To get started with PacketStream, visit their website and create an account. You know the drill by now. Provide your basic information, and you're in. Once your account is ready, grab the PacketStream app, install it on your device, and let the money-making begin. Open the PacketStream app and click Start Sharing. Your internet bandwidth is now a valuable commodity, and you'll earn money for every gigabyte of data sold through your device. PacketStream doesn't disappoint when it comes to payouts. You can choose between PayPal, Bitcoin, and Litecoin, or even opt for a bank account withdrawal. Now, here's the secret sauce for maximizing your earnings with these apps. 1. Share your resources from multiple devices. The more devices you share from, the more money you can make. 2. Use a VPN to connect to a server in a developed country. This will increase your payout rates. 3. Promote your referral link to your friends and family. You can earn a commission on the earnings of your referrals. While we're on the topic of PacketStream, let me provide some additional details to ensure you're maximizing your earnings. To get the most out of this platform, you can consider a few tips. Location matters. If you're in an area with high demand for internet bandwidth, your earnings can soar. Companies are always on the lookout for bandwidth in regions where it's scarce. Fast and reliable connection, having a speedy and dependable internet connection is key. This ensures that your shared bandwidth is in demand, leading to more opportunities for earning. 24/7 sharing, you can let your device work for you around the clock. Keep the PacketStream app running on a dedicated device, and you'll notice a boost in your earnings. Refer and earn. Just like the other platforms, PacketStream also offers a referral program. Share your referral link with friends, family, or online communities, and you can earn a commission on their earnings. It's a simple way to boost your income. In addition to the previous tips for maximizing your earnings, here are some more strategies that can help you get the most out of these apps. Network security. Ensure the security of your network when using these apps. It's important to protect your data and devices, so invest in a reliable antivirus and firewall software. Idle devices. Don't let your devices sit idle. Even when you're not actively using them, they can be contributing to your earnings by sharing their resources. Stay updated. Keep an eye on app updates and new features. Developers often release improvements that can enhance your earning potential. Manage multiple apps. If you're tech-savvy and looking to diversify your income sources, consider running multiple apps from different providers. This way, you can make money from various platforms simultaneously. Now, let's dive into some of the core benefits of sharing your unused resources through these apps. Eco-friendly earnings. By sharing your idle resources, you're not only making money but also contributing to a more sustainable world. Reusing available resources can lead to a reduction in the demand for new infrastructure, which ultimately means a smaller carbon footprint. No extra effort. The beauty of these apps is that they require minimal effort on your part. Once you've set them up, they run in the background, generating income with almost no additional work on your end. Global accessibility. These apps often have a global reach, meaning you can participate from virtually anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you can start earning. Diverse payout options. Each app offers multiple ways to cash out your earnings. Whether you prefer PayPal, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Litecoin, or even gift cards and bank transfers, you have the flexibility to choose what suits you best. Infinite scalability. Your potential for earning isn't limited. With multiple devices and, in some cases, referrals, you can exponentially increase your income over time. When using these apps, it's important to prioritize safety and security. Here's how to ensure a smooth and secure experience. Regular updates. Stay updated with the latest app versions. Developers continually work on improving security features, so having the most recent version ensures the best protection. Password strength. Use strong, unique passwords for your app accounts. This adds a layer of security and minimizes the risk of unauthorized access. Network security. Keep your Wi-Fi network secure by using strong encryption methods and regularly updating your router's firmware. This prevents any unauthorized access to your network. Privacy awareness. Review the privacy policies of the apps and platforms you're using. Make sure you're comfortable with how your data is handled and shared. Device maintenance. Regularly maintain and update your devices. This includes keeping your operating system and security software up to date. Customer support. Familiarize yourself with the customer support options offered by these apps. In case of any issues or concerns, you'll know how to get assistance. Joining these apps' communities can be highly beneficial. Forums and social media. Many of these apps have forums or active social media communities. Engaging with fellow users can provide tips, insights, and troubleshooting help. Online groups. Look for online groups, forums, or Reddit communities related to making money online. These spaces are excellent for sharing experiences, advice, and discussing the latest updates. Feedback and improvement. Some apps actively seek user feedback. Don't hesitate to provide your thoughts and suggestions. Your input could help shape future improvements. Referral networks. leverage referral networks to your advantage. By referring others, you're not only helping them discover a new income source but also earning commissions. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos, where I'll delve deeper into other innovative methods for boosting your income. From online freelancing to investment opportunities and emerging trends, I'm committed to bringing you fresh and exciting ways to secure your financial future. And once again, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so now to be part of our thriving community. A big thank you to those who are already subscribed, and let's continue this journey together as we explore new frontiers in online money making. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.